Hey guys, Josh here down at A+ Power Sports. Want to show you a really new cool feature that the Polaris came out with for us hunters. I'm an avid hunter, so I really think it's a cool idea. If you want to come over, I'll show you that. It's on the new 2023 Polaris Sportsman 570 and the XP 1000. All right, so as you can see here, you have the USB card reader. The card reader does not come with it. It was like $11 on Amazon. You take your SD card from your trail camera, you plug that in. You come to your home screen when you turn the machine on. You're going to hit the menu button right here. It's going to take you to your settings. You can pick the game camera button right there. It's going to take you to this screen. Then you hit the browse USB. You pick your file that the pictures are on, and then you just click on your first picture. It takes you to your pictures on your trail cameras. You can take any of your SD cards from any of your cameras right on site out in the woods, and you can click left or right, go through your pictures of the different pictures on your trail camera right from the woods. Very simple to use. If you have any questions on the XP 1000 or the 570 Sportsman with Ride Command or any of the other units we have here down at A+ Power Sports in Elkhorn, Wisconsin, give me a call at 262-723-8822 or check out our website at aplusride.com. If you like the video, please subscribe and click a like on the bottom. We'll see you soon.